I remember sitting in my car, just staring at my rent bill. Another hike. Again. And I have nothing to show for it. I didn't think I could buy. My credit wasn't perfect. My savings was tight. But the what-ifs kept me up at night. Then I found this amazing free guide from Maryland real estate professionals. It's called, Does Owning a Home Make More Sense Than Renting? It's 100% free. And it didn't try to sell me anything. No pressure, no obligation, no commitments. It just laid it all out for me. And it really made sense. Real answers to the question, should I rent? Or is it time to buy? I got it at www.ownyourfirsthome.com. So, if you find yourself where I was, then you want to start here. Ownyourfirsthome.com. So go to ownyourfirsthome.com now and get the powerful free report. It helped me figure out what no one else was explaining. www.ownyourfirsthome.com.